Standing. एक minute, please. Sit.
One more minute.
What? We open up the stage for some questions. Please do restrict it to I Love Style and Neeta Lula. Thank you. Do we have any questions?
Hello. Hi, Janelia. I'm Abira from Times Now. I want to know, are you this stylish since childhood, or you discover yourself when you were becoming older?
Uh, I don't know what is the definition of stylish as such, but I think what I've always enjoyed is being creative in my own space. So when it was college, I used to have my entire hand filled with friendship bands, and that used to be my style statement. Like, be it any color, be it any outfit, anything. I used to have this huge amount of friendship bands. It used to look really cool because like that. And then when you had your jeans and they'd fade away, I would cut them off and use them as shorts with the tassels just hanging, or your shirts, tie them. So I enjoyed that kind of style, and that's why I would say that I enjoy street style a lot more when it's casually going ahead. At the same time, when I like to dress up for an occasion, I just like to be me, and I love wearing Indian at times, and I'll go full Indian. I'd like the kajal eyes, and I just like, when you ask about, obviously there has been an evolution. There definitely has, and I think one should always do that, because that's the way you present yourself differently. If you'd asked me, there was a time when I'd never cut my hair to a part where I just went short, and I was like, I love it right now. So yeah, that's what I could tell you about being stylish, about an evolution for sure, and about enjoying it to a great extent.
Do we have some more questions?
Okay, one more question. When you came from Tollywood to Bollywood, did you see the difference of style in both the places? Like, what was the difference?
I pretty much played a character very close there as well. I was always, the college girl, or the jeans and t-shirts, or the girl who carries a knapsack on. So, Neeta, Nishka, all of them have worked with me back there as well. So, um, I think there's a difference only when there's a particular scene or a particular character that you're playing as such. But on the whole, it's what you take yourself to be. Like when it was Janitu, I literally had no makeup, my hair was totally frizzed out, and a lot of people were like, you have to be the heroine and be all glam and sham and stuff like that. But that character worked, and you had like loads of people wearing those little clips that Aditi wore in the film. Um, so I wouldn't say there's a difference. I think it's what you carry, and I think it's what you make the difference in each character. Yeah.
हाँ जिनेलिया, जिनेलिया आप ज़्यादा स्टाइलिस्ट हैं या फिर रितेश ज़्यादा स्टाइलिस्ट है?
It's a girl and a boy. I don't think you can differentiate, but Ritesh has a great sense of style for sure.
अच्छा, आपके हेयर काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं अब, जैसा कि अभी आपने कहा, तो क्या किसी फिल्म के लिए हेयर ज़्यादा, मतलब हेयर स्टाइल के, या फिर
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसे ही एक्चुअली रितेश का आइडिया था, एंड रितेश हैड फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम टोल्ड मी व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई गोइंग शॉर्ट. एंड एक जो होता है ना कंटिन्यूटी इन ऑल योर फिल्म्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, वेयर यू नेवर गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो ऐसा शादी के बाद एक ब्रेक तो है, तो लेट मी डू समथिंग दैट्स डिफरेंट, लेट मी डू समथिंग दैट्स न्यू, एंड दैट्स व्हाई. या
अच्छा, अगर बॉलीवुड की स्टाइल दीवा की बात करें, प्रियंका, कैटरीना और करीना की बात करें, तो आपके हिसाब से कोई एक स्टाइलिश दीवा कौन ज़्यादा अच्छी
No,
लगती है?
I think today style is extremely important in Bollywood, and I think everybody has their uniqueness. Everyone has their own style.
कोई एक ऑप्शन बताइए, कैटरीना, करीना या प्रियंका, आपको कौन ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है? ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश दीवा आपके हिसाब से कौन है?
Like I said, I don't think you can say Katrina looks like Priyanka or Priyanka looks like Kareena. All of them have a very distinct and very unique style.
Do we have any more questions? Please, me tuned on Big CBS Love to watch I Love Style.